Joshua. It's nice to have you around on the news again. So kindly bring us... Yeah, you're welcome. So I'd like you to kindly bring us up to speed about the court ruling, most especially where the EFCC requested to cross-examine its own witness.
Well, good evening once again. The commencement of proceedings today at the Federal High Court in Abuja today was stated for the ruling on the EFCC's request to cross-examine its own witness. So a move that was particularly contested by the defense counsel in this case. However, the judge gave the ruling today, and the ruling favored the defense counsel. Why? The judge ruled that the EFCC cannot cross-examine its own witness unless it declares him a hostile witness, according to the evidence act. Well, that notwithstanding, the court went ahead to grant the EFCC the opportunity to be examining any uncertain limitations, particularly that they were going to clear ambiguity that was touched upon by the defense counsel. Aside that, the court also restricted the EFCC to re-examine on particular parts of the exhibit 19, which is the judgment by the FCC High Court in this case. And particularly, the judge instructed the EFCC to only touch pages 1, 14, and 15 of the exhibit 19, that is the judgment of the Abuja High Court. And this is where we are in this case. However, the proceedings went forward, and they brought a fourth witness, that is the person of Michelle Abata. Michelle Abata is the Zenith Bank compliance officer who came to testify that a total of 1.968 billion naira was withdrawn from a government account with the bank, Kogi State government account with the bank. So that is where we are. However, the judge adjourned to tomorrow, that is the 27th of June, for a continuation of the trial and cross-examination of that particular witness by the defense counsel.
Okay, so what has been the general reaction to this case, and for how long do you think it will drag?
Well, the EFCC has series of witnesses lined up for them to prove their case of alleged money laundering on the part of the former Kogi State governor. Well, we expect that the EFCC is going to bring those witnesses one after the other to substantiate their claims. The defense counsel is not backing and they are ready for a fight tooth and nail to prove that their client, the former governor of Kogi State, is not guilty. Well, that has to be the discretion of the court to decide who is guilty and who is not guilty. So we are looking at the case and monitoring development as soon as the court will give you updates.
All right, thank you so much, Joshua Imarayi, for bringing us up to speed with this court situation. We appreciate that.